Hi everyone, welcome back to Starfield. I have another fighter class light ship. This one actually has a decent amount of cargo. Well, not a decent amount of cargo, but it has some cargo. It is a lot of Stroud Eklund. It's got some engines I wanted to try using, a couple Tayo pieces, Tayo landing bay, usual complement of weapons, some turrets, suppressors, and one of my faves, the Vanguard Obliterator auto projectors. So we'll take a look here. All the gear is in the back. There's no gear in the front, but we have that Hope Tech gear in the back here, along with the landing bay, as you can see there. And then we have our Nova engines, and then we have two of these SAE engines. We have a reactor and a grav drive together in there, and then the fuel is within the engines. So let's take a look at what we got here. It's only got two compartments. We have our all-in-one berth here. It's got our bed in it. We're getting that XP. Then we come up here, and we're in a computer core. So we have 8 crew on this ship. And then we have our Stroud Eklund cockpit here. Cargo or captain's locker, cargo hold over here. Really not much to this. It's mainly for dogfighting and things like that. So we got a docker right there, and then go back out or exit. And we'll take a look at this and see what it consists of. Cannot run under the engines, or the middle sections of the engine, the cells basically. So let's go into the shipbuilder here and see what we got.
Hey, what can I do for you? Okay, no problem.
So now it's naming everything Ecliptic Combat A01. So at least we're getting a different name now. So here's the ship, painted in one of my favorite colors, and we are, so stats wise, 420 fuel, 1238 cargo, and 3270 cargo. Hull was 1238. I'm sorry. I have perks that boosts the shield and cargo. So 30 light year jump, 39 reactor, 8 crew, 100 mobility, 140 top speed. Actual cargo is 2880. That cargo comes from these two cargo holds, these Galleon S202 cargo holds. And then you get a little bit from the cockpit. So, and then really not much to this ship. You have a all-in-one berth from Stroud there. You have a control station from Stroud. You got some Stroud mid-caps, Tayo braking engine, and then these Nova 1050 engines from Relodyne. And then the other engine is these SAE 5660 engines from Slayton Aerospace. There's 2 of those, giving you a 12 power in total. We have a 36 jump thrust grav drive for Relodyne, the RD3000. Then inside of that is the 104 DS Mag inertial reactor with a power of 39. Then we have our Vanguard Bulwark shield. And we have 2 of the NG-20 landing gear in the wide configuration, our Tayo landing bay. Some Stroud end caps. Then we have a Stroud no piece cap B forward bottom. Then we have our Viking CP220 cockpit. And then we have some weapon mounts on the side of the cockpit and equipment plates under the turrets. Here's our Vanguard Obliterator auto projectors, and then we have our Firebolt 4000 suppressors. I only put 3 of them on this instead of the usual 4. And then we have our PB100 auto neutron turrets. So that's basically the whole ship in a nutshell. You have to merge this piece on because of how the cockpit is. So that one has to be like glitched, do the flip trick. That one has to be merged in, and you have to place these auto projectors off to the side and duplicate them until you get a valid placement on these Stroud Cap A's, and then you can hit accept, and then they're in place. And then you have to duplicate the grav drive into the reactor. And that's about it for what's been merged together. I tried a couple variations with some landing gear in the front. I didn't care for the look of any of those. So this is what I went with. This was another ecliptic hymn that I captured. I'm sick of capturing those ships. So yeah, that's what we got here. It's not much to it. It's a light fast fighter, 1367 in mass. So it's interesting. I might start using this one as my capture ship. Been using. Well, this was my first ship I was using for capture. This has a limited cargo also, but it has shielded cargo. This was the first ship I redesigned in this playthrough. And then this is one of the Varun ships I captured, and I'm probably going to sell that one. And then this is one of the rebuilds of a HEM. Made it a little longer. This has been my current combat ship. And then we have another one of these Varun ships that I've rebuilt. There's videos on a lot of these on the channel. This one works good to capture ships. This is a future project as soon as I figure out what to do with it. This ship did give me the idea to use the Nova engines. Like these Reline Nova 1010 engines did give me an idea to use these, but they're not very powerful. So then this was a slightly beefier version of a HEM that I kind of edited, made it a little bit longer. Kept the I don't think I merged any pieces on this one. So, pretty different kind of cockpit on there, a Stroud Eklund. And then, this one. And that's about it for the ships in this current run. Just wanted to show them all because I'm going to be selling a few to make room for more ships. And I wanted a record of it. That's going to do it for this one. Everyone take care and have a fantastic day.